Hi everyone, just want to quickly show you something that my fiance bought from Aliexpress, and they are room dividers. And these are 40 centimeters by 40 centimeters, and they have holes around the edges. This allows you to attach one to another to ultimately create your wall divider. And obviously they come in different patterns. This is the pattern my fiance chose. You attach them with these oddly shaped sort of safety pins, I suppose you would call them. Yeah, so you use them to attach each of the panels to each other to create your wall divider. Now room divider, should I say. We've not used them to divide a room. We've used these in a doorway, which I'm going to show you right now. So as you can see, we've used ours in a doorway and attach them to the frame. And now from another angle. Something I forgot to mention at the beginning is the way these are hung. They're basically with hooks with a thread on, and obviously this is a wooden frame, so it's screwed right in there. If you're going to screw them into your ceiling, you would need raw plugs. So you'd pre-drill the holes, you put the raw plug in, and then you would screw the hook into the raw plug, and then you would hang them off that. So yeah, that's how you hang them. Something I should mention is that they are quite flimsy. I mean, they're about 2 millimeters thick, which is enough really. I mean, they're strong enough, you know, they're not going to snap off or break. But I mean, if if your kids run into it, or your dog or something, then the pins are going to give way, most probably, and they'll be pulled off, and these might even get bent out of shape. So yeah, it's something to think about. You can see how the pins go on there and attach them together, and yeah, so that's basically it. We've put ours in a door frame. Lots of people would put them, in the middle of a room to divide a room up. I'll attach some pictures to the end of this video. I'm just showing you how other people have used them, just to give you an idea. And yeah, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.